Hello, my dear friends. I am Kirandeep Kaur and I'm back with a brand new video on the field of data analyst. All of you people must be wondering what is the difference between data analyst, data science, or business analyst? What all is there in data analyst? What is the roles and responsibilities companies provide to data analysts? What all companies are there so that one can apply for that particular type of job? What is the eligibility criteria? So I will brief you about this topic in this video. So let's get started on it. We know that organizations in all industry increasingly rely on data to make critical business decisions, which can be how many new products to develop, how new markets can enter, new investments to make, and new customers to target. They also use data to identify inefficiencies and other business problems that need to be addressed. So, on the gist of it, who identifies such data? Who make those necessary business decisions? Data analysts do. Basically, the work of data analyst is to simplify complex data into simpler form by inspecting, modeling, and transforming the data so that necessary business decisions can be made. We know what is the meaning of data. What is the meaning of analysis is basically आपके पास एक whole component होता है और आप उसको कैसे break कर सकते हो small components में so that necessary decisions can be made. Also, I would like to add to this that data analyst not only means that we will be looking at the numbers only. No, we will analyze, we will interpret the theory behind those numbers. Okay, आपको सिर्फ numbers नहीं देखने हैं, आपको उसके पीछे की theory आपको analyze करनी है कि अगर ये ऐसे numbers show हो रहे हैं तो हम आगे के predictions कैसे analyze कर सकते हैं और past के basis में हम future predictions कैसे कर सकते हैं predict. So, why to choose data analyst as a career? Why do people choose this career? First reason is soaring demand for analytics professional. There is huge demands for analytics professionals. Jean Harris, senior executive at Accenture Institute for High Performance, has stressed the significance of analytics profession by saying, data is useless without the skill to analyze it. There is a high demand of data analytics profession. In a study of Queen Street Incorporation, it was found that trend of implementing big data analytics is zooming and is considered to be high priority among US business. You can see in the graph that data analyst jobs are increasing day by day, year by year. Next, huge job opportunities and meeting the skill gap. There are many huge opportunities. Fun fact is that India currently has highest concentration of analytics globally, and most of the professionals get a salary of more than rupees 15 lakh per annum. I'm not saying that आपकी directly job 15 lakh per annum लगेगी. It depends on you, it depends on your characteristics, it depends on your capabilities. Okay, it just average आपका यही होता है. And according to Shrikant Vilamkani, co-founder and CEO of Fractal Analytics, he said that there are two types of talent deficit: data scientists who can perform analytics and analytic consultant who can understand and use the data. And the talent supply for these job titles is extremely scarce and demand is huge. We have demand of data analytics very high, but most of the people don't go to these type of jobs because there is programming, there is eligibility criteria. Basically, we'll be talking about the eligibility criteria, and you will get to know that why people don't go for these type of jobs. Then nextly, Big data analytics are top priority in lot of organizations. It was concluded that big data analysis is one of the top priority of the organization participating in the survey, as they believe it improves the performance of their organization. Next, analytics, a key factor in decision making. जो भी आप डिसीजन डिसाइड करते हो, सपोज अ कंपनी है वो सोच रही है कि वो एक कार को कार एक न्यू कार बनाए, तो उसके लिए उसको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा कि उसके कंपेटिटर्स की स्ट्रैटेजीज क्या है, वो क्या एक प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रहे हैं, क्या एक टाइप ऑफ क्वालिटी यूज कर रहे हैं। तो उन सबको एनालाइज करने के लिए वी नीड डेटा एनालिस्ट। So analytics play an important role in driving business strategy and making effective decisions. We analyze the data where we can understand the past using descriptive analytics and diagnostic analysis, and foresee the future using predictive analysis, and build the future using prescriptive analysis, which you will study in detail in your particular course of data analyst. Then, big data analyst is used everywhere. We can see data analyst is used in every company to analyze decision and make prediction, whether it be for healthcare sector, consumer sector, energy sector, manufacturing sector, technology sector, and banking sector. We use data analytics everywhere. Now we will be talking about what is the scope of data analyst. As companies are becoming more tech driven and fast paced now, data analysts are already playing an increasingly crucial role in businesses. Both startups and tech giants in India are adding data analysts in their workforce who are able to record and analyze data to drive efficient decision making. जो भी बेसिक, अगर आपका एक स्टार्टअप फॉर्म होता है तो उनको डेटा एनालिस्ट चाहिए होता है, अगर आपका कंपनी है तो उनको डेटा एनालिस्ट चाहिए होती है। डेटा एनालिस्ट हमेशा हमें चाहिए होता है बिकॉज उनके बिना हम डिसीजंस नहीं फॉर्म कर सकते अपनी कंपनी में। It has been estimated that data is expected to grow up to 50 times by 2020, and there are about 78,000 jobs opening for data analysts available in India. You can see there's a huge demand of data analysts, 75,000 jobs opening approximately. It's a huge amount. If one wanted to pursue to be data analyst, he or she have many options. Like it depends on person capabilities कि उसके पास 5 years experience है तो वो डेटा एनालिस्ट के लिए, डेटा साइंटिस्ट के लिए परस्यू कर सकता है। अगर वो ज़्यादा कोर्सेज करे, मशीन लर्निंग करे, एआई करे, तो वी कैन हैव वन कैन गो फॉर डेटा साइंटिस्ट, वन कैन गो फॉर बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, वन कैन गो फॉर मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टेंट, वन कैन गो फॉर फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट। बेसिकली आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट योर सीडी, जो भी आपकी सीडी होती है, दैट डज नॉट क्लोज अप एट डेटा एनालिस्ट। आगे भी आपके वो हेड्स होते हैं, आप उनमें भी जा सकते हो। ओके, नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया। फर्स्टली यू नीड टू हैव अ बैचलर्स डिग्री, whether it be a BTech, mathematics, statistics, economics or any other mathematical and computer stream. आपके पास एक डिग्री तो होनी चाहिए। एंड सेकेंडली प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, आपको SQL, R, Python, Microsoft SATs, Tableau, Scala, इनमें से सारे आपको, सारे नहीं, इनमें से कुछ आने चाहिए। लाइक फॉर प्रोग्रामिंग आपको SQL, R और Python के लिए आने चाहिए। फॉर डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन आपको Tableau तक आना चाहिए, और या डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन जो टूल्स होते हैं आपको वो आने चाहिए। तो I told you that people do not go for data analyst because इसमें आपके वेरियस हेड्स आ जाते हैं कि आपको अगर प्रोग्रामिंग करनी है तो आपको ये भी सीखना है, और आपको डेटा विजुअलाइज करना है तो आपको वो भी टूल सीखना है। बट I am pursuing this course as well, so from my personal advice, you should go for it if you have interest in programming, if you have interest, if you love the numbers, if you love to analyze the numbers, if you have interest in mathematical interpretation. So you should go for it from my personal experience. Then what are the roles and responsibilities of data analyst? Firstly, he will be producing reports, like he will spend a significant amount of time producing and maintaining both internal and client facing reports. These reports give management insights about new trends on the horizon, as well as areas the company may need to improve upon. Writing up a report isn't as simple as throwing numbers on blank pages. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको numbers ही throw करने हैं blank pages में. No, successful data analysts understand how to create narratives, how to create those theories with the data. Then next, spotting patterns. Spotting patterns which you can do with the help of your data visualization tools like Tableau, or you can say SQL. Okay, then most effective data analysts are able to use data to tell a story. Basically, you are telling a story through visualization tools. In order to produce a meaningful report, a data analyst has to be able to see important patterns in the data. Then collaborating with others. You must be surprised to see this on your list, right? But the word data analyst might think you of someone working apart from the rest of the company, and that's far from the truth. आपको कोलैबोरेट भी करना, आप अपने साथ डेटा साइंटिस्ट के साथ आप वर्क करोगे, आप मार्केटर्स के साथ वर्क करोगे, आप सेल्स पीपल के साथ वर्क करोगे. बेसिकली वो आपको बताएंगे ना कि ऐसा ऐसा मार्केट में हो रहा है, तो we should focus in this particular sector, and it depends on you how you will focus on those sectors, how you will tell the organization that we should use this. The next is collecting data and setting up infrastructure. Most technical aspect of analyst job is to collect the data itself. This means working together with web developers to optimize data collection according to Pearson, not science. So basically आपको collect भी करना होता है data. आप as shown in the picture, आपके पास बहुत सारे data होते हैं और आपको उसको simplified form में करना होता है. Next, salary details. We have average salary up to 5 to 10 lakhs per annum, and there are more than 5 years of experience जिसका होता है उसका 15 lakhs per annum, and senior data analyst होते हैं उनका 20 lakhs per annum. Also, I'm not saying that कि आपकी यही salary लगेगी. It can be less, it can be more than this. It's just from my theory, my research, I told you about this. Ultimately depends on your capabilities, your skills. Then these are the list of the companies. You can have a job in JP Morgan, Accenture, Microsoft, Adobe, Wipro, EY, Vodafone, Deloitte, and so and so. There are n numbers of companies where you can have your data analyst job. Then the countries having the highest demand, firstly is US, then New Zealand, then Australia, Germany, Canada, UK. Basically, you have the scope of data analysts outside the India as well. आपके इंडिया में ही data analyst नहीं है, all over the world. It is a global course field. If one wanted to pursue this course, it is a globally recognized field. Okay. Then the scope in India, we have upward sloping graph, like आपका ग्राफ बढ़ता जा रहा है data analyst. I showed you earlier कि आपका ग्राफ बिल्कुल बढ़ता जा रहा है data analyst की job में. And also Bengaluru is home to 27% of the analytics jobs in India, and the city is closely followed by Delhi NCR and Mumbai. So that's all for today. I hope that I have cleared all your doubts. And if you have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. So stay motivated, stay healthy, and keep learning. Thank you.